Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making a pencil pot, because if you're like me and have a lot of pencils and colouring stuff and you don't know where to put them and make them look organised, then here's the DIY for you. So what you'll need is a toilet roll, and you can cut them to make different sizes to suit you. And you'll need some pieces of card. I just took these at the end of a box, and some scissors, and did I say pencil already? Because that's what we'll be needing now. And we'll also be needing some glue, which I forgot to get. There we go. So firstly, you're just going to trace round the toilet roll. And when that's done, you're going to want to cut around it. You don't want to cut anywhere near it at all. Dispose these and just make cuts around it. And just fold them all up. And make sure that it fits inside. And if it doesn't, then just cut in further. So the moment you know it fits in, you're just going to want to take that out and glue around it. It's easier to glue on the inside part. And just put it through. I forgot earlier to say that you will be needing paints, because now once that's done, you're going to start painting around your thing. When they're dry, you can put your stuff in it and it will be great to use. Well, thanks for watching. Bye!
Please like and subscribe. Also click the notification button so you can be notified when my latest videos come out. Thanks!